Good morning, friends. As we always discuss, that in the postmodern world, where new abilities, new competencies, new skills are required seriously for survival, there are certain qualities which are very essential for a successful career. Life nowadays is different from the past. Corporate world, government sector, society, we are advancing rapidly, and hence certain abilities, certain skills we must have to survive or to lead a successful, satisfactory life. In the last lecture, we have discussed the concept of self-awareness and how a self-aware person can develop, can advance himself. Today, we will deal with another concept. No doubt I have sent certain videos to you which you might have heard. You might have gone through it. Today, our concept is mindfulness. What is mindfulness? You see, mindfulness is the psychological process of bringing our attention to feelings and other experiences in the present moment. See, as I told you, we are living in an advanced society where fear, anxiety, stress, worries, difficulties, all these things, we are surrounded by all these things. And once we find ourselves entangled in all these things, our mind gets distracted. We cannot concentrate. And unless we concentrate, you cannot focus on your intended aim. Due to these things that I told you, stress, anger, anxiety, fear, worries. Because of these things, we forget the thing on which we have intended to attain. Mindfulness is the concept. Even you see nowadays on various or through various television programs, particularly experts in yoga constantly ask us to perform yoga for at least half an hour. For what? For mental peace. There are philosophical as well as religious ways to attain that state of mind. One of them is concentration, that is ध्यान in मराठी. आपल्याला असा सल्ला दिला जातो की तुम्ही कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, ध्यान करण्याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. काय होतं यामुळे? our feelings and emotions which distract us from our right path, yoga help us to come back, to control uncontrollable passions and feelings. That is important. Forgetfulness and its antonym is mindfulness. We forget our real task. We forget our real aim. And because of this forgetfulness, we just wander here and there. We cannot concentrate, and ultimately it results in loss. To save us from these things, we must be mindful. Mindful, that means we have to bring together, we have to bring our attention and feelings to a selected focus. And once you do this, you will be definitely successful. In this regard, foreigners, in our previous lecture I have told you, while working together, they never include personal differences with their work. That is a better example of mindfulness. So friends, this concept, mindfulness, is an important ability. There can be so many voices around us. There can be so many noises around us. But even in that condition also, we should be mindful. We should concentrate on it. In a modern world, again I would like to tell you another example. Early in the morning, we open our mobiles and we travel through our WhatsApp and Facebook and other apps, which are full of fake news. These fake news also makes us distracted from our aim. So, be mindful, concentrate our aim. It will be helpful not only to be a successful person, it will helpful for you for your upcoming life, social life also, and you will be identified as a better person. You will be respected by the society. विद्यार्थी मित्रों, वर्क फ्रॉम होम या संकल्पनेनुसार आपलं अध्ययन अध्यापन चालू आहे. आशा करूयात की लवकरात लवकर आपले क्लासेस सुरू होतील. आपल्याला ऑनलाइन एज्युकेशनचा कुठलाही अनुभव नाही, आणि स्पेशली फॉर BA third year students, now it is clear that university is going to hold exams of semester 6th. Whether it will be online or offline, that has not been decided yet, or it is decided that majorly online examinations will be held. So be prepared for upcoming challenges. If you have any doubt, any query, we always wait for it. Or if you wish to repeat any portion of the syllabus, just tell me and we will repeat it again. There is no problem of repeating it. Again, tomorrow we will discuss another term, that is self-esteem. What is self-esteem? What its definition, and what is its importance in the changing era, or rather in the social changing era. Up to that, goodbye.